Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain the moon jelly in Heartopia. You'll need to be level 12 of the fishing hobby. It needs to be either raining or there's a rainbow, and you can only fish during the day, dusk, and nighttime. So let's start. You also have to start a fishing event. So do that. And basically, you're just going to fish in the fishing event and hopefully get it. Hopefully I get it. I haven't caught it yet, so let's see. So I got it on the first try. The shadow will be just gold, and this is what the moon jelly looks like. It's super pretty, and I cannot wait to put it in my aquarium, in my fish tank, whatever you want to call that. But yeah, that is it. It's actually not that difficult to get. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, I would like to mention I have more luck in the second fishing boat, so it could be different for you guys, but that's where I get a lot of the golden crabs, golden king crabs. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.